Allcons EL Series. Here we have a bucket chain excavator designed for the construction of channels with a width of more than 9 meters. The main feature of this cutter is that it fulfills the functions of a standard excavator on the construction site, while improving the quality of work. Because it works faster and with greater precision. The vehicle allows changing the shape of the channel to reduce concrete loss. The 300 horsepower output allows 100 to 180 cubic meters of soil to escape per hour. The productivity of the work depends on the strength of the soil surface. Excavation depth of 3 meters is a pass. The operating speed varies from 0 to 7 meters per minute, and the vehicle can accelerate to a maximum speed of 0 to 7 meters per minute. And the vehicle can accelerate to a maximum of 18 meters per minute. The buckets have interchangeable teeth, which significantly extends the service life of the excavator. It can work on both flat and sloping terrain, while the angle of inclination is easily adjustable. GOMACO CC 1200. The vehicle you see on the screen is a slipform designed to form a curb. Special additional equipment allows the GOMACO CC 1200 to press the asphalt and concrete curb. Its main feature is the ability to work even with complex concrete. It is able to move independently, but it is also compact and convenient for transportation with special loading equipment. The operator has manual control of the front wheel equipped with a tracking system and hydraulic drive for greater mobility. The molds can be replaced quickly and easily, speeding up the work process and allowing the vehicle to be used for different tasks. Standard molds allow the construction of a sidewalk between 305 and 356 millimeters in height, with a working radius of 610 millimeters. The curb can be placed from the left or right side of the vehicle. In addition, the position of the molds is adjustable, making it possible to work even on narrow roads and confined areas. NEXTRENCHER D250 and D80. This vehicle is offered by the manufacturer in 3 different versions. The maximum working depth of the NEXTRENCHER D250 is 0.8 meters, and the working width varies from 8 to 30 centimeters. The NEXTRENCHER D250 and D80 have the same digging depth, but the working width of the first version varies from 15 to 20 centimeters, and that of the second from 8 to 30 centimeters. This is a demountable equipment for an excavator. The vehicle is designed to work with different materials, for example, concrete and asphalt. It is noteworthy that when working, the working disc uses only one track and therefore does not seriously interfere with traffic. The vehicle has high performance and can work even in difficult conditions, for example, on rocky terrain. The curb cut is performed precisely and cleanly, so that the trench ideally matches the dimensions required for the project. GOMACO GP3. The creation of this vehicle has been possible thanks to the 50 years of experience in the production of concrete pavers that GOMACO GP3 has. It is one of the most intelligent concrete machines in the world, designed to pave overlays up to 9.14 meters wide. It adapts easily and quickly to change size. The vehicle is equipped with intelligent telescoping to expand the frame to the maximum and automatically determine the steering wheel configuration. A sensitive sensor system provides high performance and optimized fuel consumption. Virtually every detail of this machine is adjustable, and the vehicle adapts to any task and working condition. In addition, the operating speed can be controlled, while the width and other processes are automated, which greatly simplifies operation and also increases productivity. The crawler wheels are not only adjustable but can also rotate around their axis. Thanks to this, it is possible to achieve continuous concrete placement, even under extreme conditions. STiM Kontur 700 TPK. Here is a universal track marking vehicle from the Belarusian company STiM Kontur 700 TPK, designed for applying horizontal road markings to asphalt and cementing roads. Unlike other similar machines that work with a particular type of paint, this vehicle can apply thermoplastic and fast-drying enamels with reflective glass spheres. The machine is equipped with 2 paint guns and 2 spray guns. The marking can be applied on either the left or right side. The operating parameters are adjusted according to the task and operating conditions. STiM Kontur 700 TPK is capable of applying lines with a width of 5 to 40 centimeters. The valve opening control system allows defined, continuous and intermittent application, changing the profile and pattern. The working speed is from 1 to 5 kilometers per hour. The vehicle reaches 12 kilometers per hour. It is driven by 2 people, but can work without an operator. Moveable barrier system. Everyday people around the world spend millions of hours in traffic jams. The vehicle you see on the screen allows you to solve this problem gradually. It is designed in such a way that it quickly changes the position of the dividing barrier between the lanes. This allows you to change the number of lanes in each direction, adjusting the road to the current situation. Most of the road barriers installed by this vehicle resemble the locks of a zipper. This special vehicle has an extraordinary load capacity, as the weight of the barrier segments can reach 450 kilograms. Inside the equipment is an S-shaped transport channel that lifts the barrier elements and then transfers them to the other side. In one pass, a barrier machine of this type can move segments from 1.2 to 7.3 meters. The working speed varies from 8 to 16 kilometers per hour. It moves within the same belt without interfering with the movement of other vehicles. Python 5000 Pothole Patcher. Here we have a self-propelled vehicle designed to fix patches on a damaged road. Compact and economical, the vehicle makes it possible to keep roads in good condition at low cost. A standard asphalt mix is used to place the patches. The equipment is capable of continuously repairing long cracks and joints in roads. The entire work cycle is performed by one person. It has a high throughput, and on average the creation of a patch takes about 2 minutes. The hydraulic roller ensures optimum compaction of the asphalt mix, so that the patches have a long service life. An indisputable advantage is the ability to work at low temperatures, and even during rain. GOMACO 4400 Barrier Paver. Here we have a concrete mixing machine designed to create road barriers. The 4400 Command has a 99 horsepower engine that runs at 11 meters per minute. The manufacturer offered 2 additional to be able to build not only barriers, but also parapet, sidewalks, curbs and curbs. Its main feature is the unique management system that allows to control the direction of movement of the legs and their height and width design. The maximum height of the barrier is 1 meter. The width of the asphalt is 2.5 meters. It was created to provide reliable, safe and productive work.